You are outmatched. But that's not the way I see it.
Oh, looks like they left you hanging. Yeah guys, so comment below on who you think should win this epic battle. Leave an explanation on why you think they should win. If your explanation get enough likes, you will receive credits in the final battle video. We will also try to incorporate your explanation in the final battle video. Also, if there are any other superheroes that you would like to see in this epic battle series, let us know. You know, like maybe you want to see someone with super strength go against somebody. You know, just let us know in the comments. Or maybe you want to see someone with super agility in the video. Just comment below and we will try to make it happen. Anyways, I gotta get to class. Bye guys.